In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag products on Pinterest in your pins. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a polished pin and attach product tags so viewers can click through to what you're featuring. First, head to Pinterest.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll be working from the standard create flow available on desktop. The layout may shift slightly from time to time, but the key controls stay in the same general area. On the left side of your screen, look for the plus icon labeled Create. Click that to open your creation options. From the menu that appears, choose Pin. This takes you into the pin editor where you'll build everything in one place. Next, upload a photo. A clear, high-quality vertical image works best on Pinterest because it fills more space and stands out in the feed. You can drag and drop your file or use the upload button. Give the image a moment to process so it appears crisp in the preview. Now add your title and description. Keep the title concise, descriptive, and helpful. Think of the main product name or the key benefit. In the description, share context that answers what the product is, who it's for, and why it's useful. Including relevant keywords can help people discover your pin through search, and clarity always wins over cleverness here. Add a link to the destination you want people to visit, ideally the product page. Make sure the URL is correct and loads quickly. If you're featuring multiple items, choose the most relevant link for this pin's main focus. Choose a board that matches your content. Picking a board that aligns with the product category helps Pinterest understand your pin and serves it to the right audience. If you have multiple appropriate boards, select the one with the clearest match to the item. Now search for a tag. In the product tagging area of the editor, use the search field to find the name of the product or a related term. This helps you locate items to tag directly on your image. Add products by either searching for existing product pins or pasting a product link. If you find the item in search, select it to tag. If you have a direct product URL, paste it to add the tag. You'll see a marker appear on your image. Place it near the product so viewers can tell what it references. Finally, click Publish. Your pin will go live with the product tags active, making it easy for people to explore and shop straight from your image.